Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Serenity in stone, gray stone bedroom design. Imagine a haven of tranquility, where cool grays and natural textures create a calming and sophisticated atmosphere. A gray stone bedroom design offers a timeless and elegant backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. Key characteristics: gray stone accent wall. A stunning gray stone accent wall serves as a focal point, similar to a living room design. This can be achieved with real stone veneer, large format tiles, or textured wallpaper replicating stone. Soft and serene color palette. A palette of soft grays and calming neutrals like taupe and beige dominates the space. Pops of color can be introduced sparingly through artwork. Throw pillows, or accent furniture for a touch of personality. Luxurious textures. Indulge in luxurious textures like plush velvet bedspreads, soft cashmere throws, and woven rugs. These elements create a sense of comfort and invitation, ideal for a restful retreat. Minimalist furniture and clean lines. Balance the organic feel of the stone with clean lines and minimalist furniture choices. Platform beds, sleek nightstands, and simple lamps contribute to a calming and uncluttered aesthetic. Warm and inviting lighting. Layered lighting is key. Utilize a combination of ambient lighting, overhead lights, task lighting, reading lamps by the bed, and accent lighting, to highlight the stone wall or artwork, to create different moods and functionality. Natural elements. Incorporate touches of nature to complement the organic feel of the stone. Think woven baskets for storage, wooden bedside tables, or calming greenery in hanging planters. Overall vibe: a gray stone bedroom design is a study in contrasts, cool and calming, natural and luxurious. It creates a serene and sophisticated sanctuary perfect for unwinding, reading, and getting a good night's sleep. Extra touches: fireplace with stone surround. Optional: a fireplace with a matching gray stone surround adds an extra touch of luxury and warmth, perfect for cozy nights in. Statement headboard. A statement headboard upholstered in a luxurious fabric like velvet or linen adds a touch of elegance and defines the sleeping area. Calming artwork. Choose calming artwork for the walls, featuring nature scenes, soft colors, or abstract patterns to enhance the tranquil atmosphere. By incorporating these elements and personalizing them to your taste, you can create a stunning gray stone bedroom that reflects your style and offers a haven of peace and relaxation. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a gray stone bedroom design: tranquility and relaxation. Soothing color palette. The cool gray tones of the stone create a calming and serene atmosphere, promoting relaxation and restful sleep. Soft neutrals like taupe and beige further enhance this tranquil feeling. Minimalist aesthetic. By emphasizing clean lines and minimalist furniture, the design minimizes visual clutter and creates a sense of peacefulness conducive to unwinding. Connection to nature. The natural texture of the stone wall evokes a sense of connection to nature, which can be further enhanced by incorporating calming greenery and woven elements. Sophistication and luxury. Timeless elegance. Gray stone is a classic material that exudes sophistication and never goes out of style, ensuring your bedroom remains elegant for years to come. Luxurious textures. The design allows for the inclusion of luxurious textures like velvet, cashmere, and plush rugs, creating a sense of indulgence and pampering in your private retreat. A touch of drama. The gray stone accent wall adds a dramatic focal point to the space, elevating the overall look and feel of the bedroom. Functionality and versatility. Durable and easy to maintain. Natural stone is a highly durable material that requires minimal maintenance. It's resistant to scratches, stains, and fading, making it ideal for a bedroom. Adaptable to different styles. The gray stone backdrop serves as a versatile base. You can personalize the space with different furniture styles, bedding colors, and artwork to create a modern, traditional, or romantic atmosphere. Potential to increase value. a well-designed stone accent wall can add value to your home, especially if you use high-quality materials. Overall, a gray stone bedroom design offers a perfect blend of tranquility, sophistication, and functionality. It creates a calming and luxurious haven that promotes relaxation and restful sleep. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your dream gray stone bedroom, a tranquil and sophisticated retreat. Planning and assessment. 1. Define your style and budget. Determine the overall style you want to achieve, minimalist, modern, traditional, or something else entirely. This will guide your material choices, furniture selection, and color palette. Establish a realistic budget for the project, considering the cost of the stone feature wall, material and installation, furniture, bedding, lighting, and accessories. 2. Measure your space. Carefully measure your bedroom's dimensions, including wall lengths, ceiling height, door and window placements. This information is crucial for planning the layout of your furniture and the stone feature wall. 3. Existing elements. Consider the existing elements in your bedroom, such as flooring, trim, and windows. Ensure the gray stone you choose complements these elements for a cohesive look. Design and material selection. 1. Gray stone selection. Explore different types of gray stone for your feature wall. Consider factors like color variations, texture, durability, and budget. Options include real stone veneer, large format tiles, or even textured wallpaper that replicates the look of stone. 2. Furniture selection. Choose furniture pieces that complement the gray stone and your desired style. Opt for clean lines and neutral colors for a modern look, or incorporate warmer wood tones and soft fabrics for a more traditional or romantic feel. Consider the size and scale of furniture to ensure it doesn't overwhelm the space. 3. Lighting plan. Develop a lighting plan that creates a layered and relaxing atmosphere. Utilize a combination of ambient lighting, overhead lights, task lighting, reading lamps by the bedside, and accent lighting, to highlight the stone wall or artwork. Consider dimmer switches to adjust the brightness for different moods. 4. Luxurious textures and comfort. Introduce elements that create a sense of luxury and comfort. Consider a plush velvet bedspread, soft cashmere throws, and a luxurious rug underfoot. Balance the cool tones of the stone with these warm and inviting textures, creating a tranquil oasis. 1. Soft and serene color palette. Develop a color palette that complements the gray stone. Utilize soft grays and calming neutrals like taupe and beige for the walls and bedding. Introduce pops of color sparingly through throw pillows, artwork, or a small accent piece for a touch of personality. 2. Natural elements. Incorporate calming greenery in hanging planters or on windowsills. Woven baskets for storage and wooden furniture accents further enhance the connection to nature and contribute to a tranquil atmosphere. 3. Serene artwork. Choose calming artwork for the walls, featuring nature scenes, soft colors, or abstract patterns that promote relaxation and complement the overall serene vibe, bringing the design to life. 1. Consult with professionals. Optional. Consider consulting with an interior designer for professional guidance on space planning, furniture selection, material choices, and lighting design. They can help you create a cohesive and relaxing bedroom that meets your needs and budget. 2. DIY or contractor. Decide if you'll install the stone feature wall yourself, for experienced DIYers, or hire a contractor for professional installation. Ensure they have experience working with your chosen stone material. 3. Accessorize and personalize. Once the major elements are in place, personalize the space with decorative accessories that reflect your style and interests. This could include scented candles, a cozy reading chair, or a calming diffuser. Remember, research online resources and magazines for inspiration on gray stone bedroom designs. Create a mood board to visualize your design ideas and color palette. Prioritize comfort and relaxation when selecting furniture and bedding. Don't be afraid to experiment with textures and patterns, but keep the overall feel serene, By following these steps and personalizing your choices, you can create a stunning gray stone bedroom that's a tranquil and luxurious haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.